1,000,000 points to you, buddy. That was good. Our next game is for Colin and Ryan. Colin and Ryan, come on down here for our next game on the Hi. What's your name?
Valerie.
Valerie, what's your name?
Anne.
Valerie and Ann, come on down here, Valerie and Ann. Stand right here and here. Valerie, Ann, here you go. Stand right here. You're going to help us play a game called Sound Effects. So what's going to happen is these guys are going to do a scene for us. You're going to provide the sound effects for the scene. Valerie, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. And you're going to do the sound effects for Colin. Here's the scene. Chief of Police, Colin, and an angry leader of the village mob, Ryan, are in a forest one stormy night making their way towards Frankenstein's castle to hunt down the monster. Take it away.
Okay, don't be so angry. Did you hear something?
That's me. I'm hungry.
Look, if we're going to go up to the Frankenstein place, you better light your torch.
Right. My mice are out of flints.
Here, I've got a lighter.
All right.
Oh, it's also a water pistol. The monster hates water.
All right.
Right, let's go through the forest here. Oh, I just stepped on a sheep.
Well, watch where you're stepping. We don't want to tip them off that we're coming.
I'll put on my sneaky shoes.
Geek.
I'm sorry, those are my geeky shoes.
Look, we gotta get out there. Listen to that mob. It's all women. And that's the worst mob there is.
Okay. Once we get up there, we're going to surround the place.
Right.
I got my gun.
I didn't bring it. A gun?
Yeah.
Really?
I just invented it.
Wow.
Listen.
Boom.
It still has a...
That's kind of a cute little gun.
Yeah, still. Let's go. Careful with all the leaves. We don't want to make too big a rustling sound.
Right.
It'll be quieter on the gravel.
Right.
No, it's like the leaves.
It's the same. Oh! The castle. We're going to have to get in some way. The bridge is up. Wait. Look! There's cats all across the moat. Walk after me.
Well, we hurt that last one.
All right. We've got to get up to that window.
All right. I got nothing with me.
Suction cups. I invented those. Ready?
Yep.
I made them out of leaves.
There's the monster down there. He's pretty quiet.
He's reading.
Must be a good book. He's not looking up at all.
Quick. Make him happy. Thank you.
So, 1,000 points apiece to Valerie and Ann. Where, you guys go to school together? Are you friends? You work at Warner Brothers. I could tell by the great way you did the voices. Fluffer and Fluckatash.